I'm Assemblyman David Weprin. I'm very proud that I represent one of the largest Indian American populations in the State Assembly in New York State. And I'm very happy here to be with the Consul General and the Embassy celebrating the 70th anniversary of Constitution Day in India. And of course, we're right on the eve of the Thanksgiving holiday. So it's particularly appropriate that we're celebrating here. There's such a partnership between India and the United States. Of course, we all know India is the largest democracy, but the United States is the oldest democracy. So together, celebrating Constitution Day on the eve of the American holiday of Thanksgiving, it's particularly appropriate that we're here with the Consul General in the consulate celebrating Constitution Day.